An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? But what if I told you there's a part of this seemingly innocent fruit that could actually be dangerous and even deadly even when consumed? Stay tuned to learn which part of an apple you should never eat and why. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They're delicious, versatile, and packed with nutrients. But hidden within this fruit is something most people don't think twice about. Its seeds. Yes, apple seeds contain a compound that could potentially harm you if consumed in large quantities. Science behind it. Let's talk science for a moment. Apple seeds contain a substance called amygdalin. When crushed or chewed, amygdalin breaks down into hydrogen cyanide, a highly toxic compound. Cyanide is infamous for its use as a poison. In fact, consuming enough cyanide can interfere with your body's ability to use oxygen, which could result in serious illness or even death. Now, before you panic and swear off apples forever, let me clarify something. Eating 1 or 2 apple seeds is not going to harm you. The human body can detoxify small amounts of cyanide. However, if someone were to eat a large quantity of apple seeds, let's say from dozens of apples, it could pose a significant risk. For most people, accidentally swallowing a seed or 2 is harmless, but it's always a good idea to avoid intentionally eating them. Children, in particular, should be cautious because their smaller bodies are less capable of handling toxins. Here's a fun fact. The amount of cyanide in apple seeds varies depending on the apple variety. Some seeds are more toxic than others. Bitter apples, such as crab apples, tend to have higher cyanide, and sweeter apple usually has lower level of cyanide. Anyway, don't worry too much, as you need to eat hundreds of seeds to reach dangerous levels. Still, need to be cautious with it. If you want to make apple juice, please remember to remove the seed, as you will be crushing a lot of seeds together. So, should you avoid apples? Absolutely not. Apples are incredibly healthy. Just make sure you're not munching on the seeds. Peel it, slice it, and enjoy without worry. If you found this information helpful or a little shocking, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating facts about the foods we eat. Thanks for watching.